Making tax digital is definitely something that's going to affect you and your business. You're going to be forced to use software and you're going to have to make quarterly updates. So let's have a look at what software my 600 clients are using at this point in time, figure out which one of them is right for you and your business. First up is Xero. And you can see here, I've got access to all of my bank accounts, and you can see that I can do quite a lot, including sending invoices, even now have a tap to pay feature at the top. If you want to use Xero, you've definitely got options here to run your whole business directly from this mobile app. Option 2, Sage. Now the Sage app that you can see in front of you here has loads and loads of functionality, and the best of it is one of the particular solutions is completely free. You can make your invoices, go in and sort out your bank transactions, and you can go through and make sure that you've got everything you need to be able to be making tax digital compliant from day one. The next one on our shopping list though is our good friends over at QuickBooks. QuickBooks have brought out a whole new version of their software for making tax digital. It's called QuickBooks Sole Trader. As you can see here, it's really nicely laid out. Loads of options for snapping your receipt, invoices, customers, track your mileage, all of that sort of stuff. But the best bit of all, when I go and look at my bank transactions, it's all been completed by AI, which means that I have the confidence to make sure that I can file that Making Tax Digital quarterly update without having to worry about going through doing the bookkeeping. The final one I want to look at is FreeAgent. Now, FreeAgent themselves are owned by NatWest. NatWest have a really cool account called Metal. The beauty of Metal is it's your typical bank account, but it forces you to pay someone like I'm doing here to actually go through and say what that transaction was for. When you make that payment and categorize it here, you're actually doing the bookkeeping while you're going along. If I was to say that this was for travel and I make my payment directly from my bank account, when I head over to my FreeAgent app, you'll be able to see that transactions come directly from my bank account and already categorized, making tax digital an absolute breeze. There's a look at all the software that our clients are currently using at this point in time. Which one do you think is right for you and your business?